What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. So if you want to give Shopify a break or you simply want to cancel your account entirely, let me walk you through the steps that you need to take to close your account or deactivate your account. So how do you go ahead and cancel your subscription? The first thing I want to recommend to you is to check a few settings and ensure that these are off or cleared up. So you want to click on your My Store icon on the upper right hand side and you click on your email address or name there. This is going to take you over to your general section and your security section. Click on the security section here on the upper left hand side and you want to scroll down to the bottom and start from here. So log out of all devices that you can. So if you have other mobile devices, you can start logging out of those, right? And it will show you this device as well. This one is okay, right? You can keep that for now because it's your current account which you're currently working on. But for any other devices such as your mobile devices or other PCs that you're currently logged into, I recommend that you log out of those by simply clicking on the logout button. The next thing is the two-factor authentication. You want to ensure that this is turned off, right? In my case, this is not set up, so it's currently off. If you have any other secondary emails that you have here, you can remove them as well and so forth. So remove all of these and ensure that you have nothing set right there. Now you can close that window once you're done. And the next thing that you want to do actually is to click your settings on the lower left-hand side and from here go to plans. Now, under the plans section, I recommend that you just simply go ahead and click on the cancel account or the cancel plan on the lower right hand side from here. And you will be taken over to this page where you need to just check the box here to say I reviewed the information above. Click on continue, choose your main reason for that, and you can just basically choose whatever you want, right? Then click on continue. Then you'll have the option to cancel your plan. And just keep in mind that once you cancel your plan, you will lose everything. It says your store will be closed and access to your data will be lost, but it will be available if you want to resubscribe. So you will be able to resubscribe again and you'll be able to quickly recover your account, right? Now, I'm not going to cancel my account right now, but I just want to walk you through the steps to be able to get that little red button there on the lower right to cancel your subscription, right? I also want to recommend to you that if you have any applications that you have connected to your store, anything, any third-party application that you are using, it could be for whatever reason that you're using it on your store and it's a paid subscription. I want to recommend that you check those as well and ensure that you cancel those subscription, because even though you'll be able to cancel your subscription for Shopify, you still haven't canceled those extra application subscriptions. So you will still be charged going forward for those. So I recommend that you check those and ensure that you cancel those as well. Once you do all of this, you should be able to cancel your Shopify subscription properly, and that should all be it, guys. Very easy and very simple.